All right, let's look at some cancellation properties with exponents and logs. Before we actually get into exponents or logs, let's look at a couple other functions. So if I have x to the third power, and the operation here is cubing or raising it to the third power. If I want to cancel out that operation, well, I need to do the opposite. I could take the third root. Third power, third root, those are opposites, and I would just be left with x. In this case, the operation is multiplication, 5 times x. To cancel that, divide by 5, and I get x. We could do other examples, with addition, subtraction, or whatever the case is. But what if I have an exponential function, something like 10 to the x? Well, this is an exponent with base 10. If I want to cancel an exponent base 10, then I need to use the opposite of exponentials, which is a logarithm. So I'm going to do log base 10. If I apply a log base 10 to this 10 to the x, log base 10 cancels out exponent, here's the exponent base 10, and gives me just x. Likewise, let's say I have the natural log of x. Well, natural log, what's its base? Its base is e. So I have a natural log with the base e of x. Let's say I want to cancel out natural log. How do I cancel out natural log? Well, I cancel out a log with an exponent. Then I've got to ask myself, what's the base of this log? It's e. So what's the base of the exponent need to be? E as well. So I'm going to write this e under here, and now what I've done is I've created an exponential function where the base of the exponential is e. The base of this is the power now. The base of this natural log is e, and so these you can think about canceling out, and this would equal x. Here are a few more examples of this property, because you may see something like 10, or not 10, let's do 12 to the log base 12 of 5. Well, what's going to be the value of this? We have an exponent base 12. We have a log base 12. Those cancel out. So I would get 5. Let's say that I have the natural log of 3 to the power y. Sorry. I put 3. I meant to put e. Natural log of e to the y. Well, what is this? The natural log has a base of e. This exponent has a base of e. Those cancel. This would just give me y. So that's a cancellation property. Sometimes with an equation, let's say I have, let's see what we do.